one memorable night for me. Very, I won't say it was the most memorable, but it is memorable because who was involved.
Got you.
Right? Next to Barry G, I'm done. Yeah. Barry Garden, I'm done. That a man there have a lot of influence on me and wanting to do music, get into music. And I think, in my mind, the best thing will ever happen to radio, Naira.
Yeah.
Second to him is Rodigan, David Rodigan. So me and Cancer had a gig against David Rodigan in England.
Okay.
Right? And then, Rodigan, Mr. Rodigan, wow, wicked up. I said, man, you know him still. And him be younger them time, Mr. Muscle, when we say the place they on fire, Well, and brother, Cancer look for me say, Cancer said, female is big man. I call me. Me not think Cancer ever call me Chico yet. I'll let him introduce me on the song.
Yeah.
Cancer call me big man all the way. I said, big man. What we are going to do here? Somebody say, got him, man. Don't worry yourself. Got him, man. So we got some bomb. I mean, walk around them time at England with the day, and I back there, we eat some saltfish and dumpling. Yeah. And eat saltfish and dumpling, and then when Rodigan said, 3 more to go, then Stone Love or whatever. We can't forget. And I walk around the party and I pick up every flyers, me say.
Okay.
Right? Every flyers. And Rodigan said, come in, Stone Love. Me didn't big up nobody, me not say. Don't remember and don't forget such and such. I may read everyone. I must have been like 25 flyers.
Yeah.
Read every one of them. Right? So by this, the people then cool down and start get antsy now.
Yeah.
So then when we done, me say, yeah! I say, me need to see the honor all patriotic Jamaican in our building right now. Right? People then put up them honor, me drop the anthem. And then after anthem done, we drop the nitty-gritty good morning song, boy. Couldn't do nothing wrong again, man. Rodigan come to me and said, Chico, that's the oldest trick in the book. Yeah,
they completely boil them down to zero.
Turn it down to 0 and just launch it again. Next, let me tell you a joke, something when me say funny, muscle.
Yeah.
Bodyguard, Stone Love, Rodigan. And I think one sound with it in the same lawn or same era with Bodyguard and Mate Pen at the time. Yeah. I think them named Turbo Force or Turbotronic.
Turbocharge.
No, not Turbocharge. Turbocharge are sentence sound. I'm a boy them, man.
Yeah.
Sadi and Dully and I'm a boy them, man. I'm a friend them, man.
Yes.
I think I need a Turbotronic or something like that, a Stereophonic, one of them. Some kind of phonic, it did name.
Turbosonic?
Something like that. Them did come from out of in a Clarendon there. So they are playing and the time Links did just a come on.
Yes.
Pan the scene the sun. And Link bad up in face and I go on, So of course Rodigan say, from we come to the sound ain't a play too good. Bodyguard ain't a play too good. So me said to Johnny, say, you sure you don't want to play upon Stone Love? Because me said Johnny and me brethren. So he said you don't want to play upon Stone Love. I even go play upon the next sound. Right? He said, because Roddy gonna play upon Stone Love. Johnny said no. Right? So I play again and thing at itch, but links I try jump out. So I'm go on and I'm this Rodigan to and rare, And Rodigan come in and play. Rodigan say, now I know Tony, I know Johnny, I know I know Rory, I know Chico. But who are you?
Yeah.
Right? And the man make a bad speech and him play the cockatoo where him always play sound boy go home to your mama. Brother. Rodigan put on a piece of eat. Now a bodyguard time to start play. So now play good. So Rory said, Rory, when them are itch there and Rory said, they cut out for a little bit and Rory said, Johnny, you sure say you know want come pan the mic and say, come play pan Stone. Johnny said, if I want tweet on the sound I play, we are playing my sound tonight. Right? Yeah. And I swear to God, muscle, the sound trip out to one tweet. No joke.
And the thing with it, as you were speaking, I remember that dance. The song was Turbo Sonic.
Yes.
I had the cassette. That dance was like 95, 60 type of time.
Whatever time it was, but I remember it was me and Rory Rodigan. Yeah. That's that one.
Turbo Sonic was a song.
Man.
I pictured that in my mind because originally we used to sell cassette CDs, VHS, and stuff like that. So that dance in particular, I remember in my mind 100%. Now do you say? And Bodyguard side did not sound good.
No, it
was chipping on.
It sound chip out too. All I hear was crazy. I'm like, I'm saying I must plan this thing.
What's the chances of that?
What are the chances of it happening that way? But yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.